Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to install Kali Linux on your Termux, which is an application on Android device. So with this, you can have Kali Linux running on your Android device without any root permissions. So first thing you have to do is download the Termux application on the Play Store and open it. So when you open the application Termux on your Android device, you can see this cool page which you see in here. So when your friends or any family sees this page, first thing they'll think is you're doing some coding work or you're doing hacking, but this is just an application. This is the beginning stage. So first what I have to do is apt update. This code will search for any updates which is pending and it will see. So here you can see there is many errors. So I am getting a problem when I try to update. So don't worry, I have a solution for this. What you have to do is Termux change repo, which will change the repository from one server to another server and help you get the updates. So you can see here I will select all. So when you're changing the repo on the Termux, see that you select all, because on the safer side, if one mirror doesn't have the files we need, we can get it from the another mirror. So this is what we are doing now. Something is better than nothing, right? That's what we are doing now. Select any one of your choice. So you can see I'm getting few now app update. So you can see now it's getting properly updated. So you can see here the update is available. App upgrade -y. So there are many unupgraded things which are getting upgraded now. Nothing to worry, just wait for the process to get over. So when you start asking for any conditions or anything, you can see here it asking YIN0DZ, default is N. Just press enter, don't worry about it. It's not something which is like really concerned. Just press enter whenever it asks for something. It will take it as default, nothing to worry. So you can see here the process is completed now. So now we have to do is apt update to check if anything is left out. I think nothing is left out. Just for safer side, we'll have a look. One package can be upgraded. Okay. So I'm updating it up. Okay. Now pkg install wget. So this is the next step. What we have to do? We have to write the code pkg install wget. Enter. So you can see it got installed. It's asking for storage location because it's an application and it needs some space. Y, enter. Okay, the wget is installed now. Let us go to the next step. So now what you have to do is, I have given a link on the screen. Just type that carefully with all the numbers and spaces or semicolons or slashes properly. Enter. When you enter, you can see I'm getting the install NetHunter Termux, which is an application getting installed on my Termux. So now it's installed. Now we have installed NetHunter on our Termux. Let us see what are the files available. So now I will be paste this code. Why we are using this code is to make the file which I have downloaded as executable. chmod plus x means execute. X means executable. That is a Linux code. If you have learned Unix or Linux, you'll get to know. So I have made it an executable file. Now all I have to do is install the file. For that, it's /install -nethunter-termux. So here we are. The Kali is ready on our Termux. So it is asking us checking device architecture. So architecture is fine, everything is fine, it is executable. So it is asking me, you want NetHunter ARM64, which is full, or you want minimal or nano. As I want the full access of the Kali Linux, I'll be taking one as the option. You can take the choice of yours. As I'm taking one as the option, it will take a lot of time because there are many packages to be installed on our Termux. So it takes a lot of time. Just have patience. So you can see my installation is complete. Now I got a message telling verifying integrity of the root FS. So don't exit the application or don't do anything, just wait, let it configure. It is just verifying if it is genuine, and it is checking if there is any corrupt image, and it's repairing if in case there is a corrupt image. So don't worry, wait for some time. It's extracting rootfs. Don't worry, just wait. So guys, here you can see Kali NetHunter is on the screen. So to check, what I do is NetHunter. See, when I press NetHunter, you can see that Kali at localhost. So I am inside the Kali now, which means I'm in the Kali Linux or Kali terminal. So let me try Kali command, something like ls. See, it's working. Ping google.com. So you can see 13 packets which are transmitted are received. So it is confirmed that there is no problem. It's working properly. So what I will do is, if you want, you can extend it to a graphical level where you can feel if it is like you are using Kali, like what you see on desktop. Kali, the user interface will be also be available on Android. If you want that,
watch the part 2 video where I have given the link in the description and also above. You can click on that and watch the part 2 if you want the user interface as you use it on desktop, graphical user interface. So you can just follow that video and install it. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe.